Assalamu alaikum aspirants. In this lecture, we focus on essential English skills required for CSS 2026. The questions cover grammar, sentence correction, synonyms, antonyms, and fill in the blanks. Practicing these MCQs will improve your vocabulary, sentence construction, and comprehension skills. Each explanation provides the meaning, usage, and contextual understanding so you can apply these concepts in your exams as well as in daily English communication. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट सिनोनिम ऑफ अबहो। अबहो का मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब होता है हेट। ठीक है, सो अबहो मीन्स नफरत करना या इंतहाई नापसंद करना। इट इज़ यूज टू एक्सप्रेस स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसलाइक। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई अबहो डिसऑनेस्टी इन एनी फॉर्म। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Despite his experience, he was dash about the outcome of the project. So right answer is apprehensive. Apprehensive means फिक्रमंद होना या परेशान होना. So it describes someone anxious about something that may happen. For example, she felt apprehensive before the interview. Next question, fill in the blanks. She is most dash person I know. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent, or intelligence. So right answer is A, intelligent. Intelligent means zahin. The superlative most intelligent is correctly expressed in context here. For example, among all my friends, she is most intelligent. Next question है vocabulary in context. So choose the correct word to complete. The company has introduced new policies to dash employee productivity. तो इसका right answer है enhance. Okay. Enhance mean के बढ़ाना या बेहतर बनाना. It is commonly used in professional context. For example, training programs enhance the skills of employees. Next question, choose the correct synonym for ephemeral. तो ephemeral का क्या मतलब होता है? ephemeral का मतलब होता है आर्जी. ठीक है, टेम्परेरी यानी आर्जी या मुख्तसर मुद्दत के लिए. For example, fame in social media can be ephemeral. Next question, choose the correct antonym for प्रिडिक्टेबल. तो प्रिडिक्टेबल का अपोजिट बताना है. प्रिडिक्टेबल का अपोजिट है अनसर्टन. ठीक है, यानी प्रिडिक्टेबल यानी आसानी से अंदाज़ा लगाने वाला और इसका अपोजिट अनसर्टन है यानी गैर यकीनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल, द वेदर इज़ अनप्रिडिक्टेबल इन स्प्रिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ही इज़ डैश देन हिज ब्रदर. टाल, टालर, टालेस्ट और मोर टाल. तो राइट आंसर इज टालर. Comprehensive adjectives compare two people or things. Taller correctly compares his height with his brother. For example, my brother is taller than me. Next question, select the correct sentence. I have went to the store. I have gone to the store. I have go to the store or gone to the store. So right answer is B. I have gone to the store. Present perfect tense uses have, has plus past participle. Gone is the past participle of go. For example, I have gone to the market already. Next question, choose the correct synonym for lugubrious. Lugubrious का हमने synonym बताना है तो इसका मतलब है mournful. ठीक है, यानी उदास या फिर अफसरदा. It describes someone looking sad or gloomy. For example, his lugubrious expression worried everyone. Next question, choose the correct antonym for vigorous. Vigorous का हमने अपोजिट वर्ड बताना है तो इसका मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है और इसका अपोजिट वर्ड वीक होगा. ठीक है, विग्रेस यानी ताकतवर को कहते हैं और वीक जो है वो इसका अपोजिट वर्ड है यानी कमज़ोर. फॉर एग्जांपल, शी गेव अ विग्रेस परफॉर्मेंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शी डैश टू द मार्केट यस्टरडे. गो, वेंट, गोन और गोइंग. सो राइट आंसर इज वेंट. शी वेंट टू द मार्केट यस्टरडे. Past tense of go is went. So always use past tense for actions completed in the past. For example, she went to the market yesterday morning. Next question, select the correct sentence. He can sing well. He can sing well. He can sing well or he can singing well. So right answer is he can sing well. After modal verbs can, should, must, the base form of the verb is used. For example, he can swim, dance and sing. Next question, choose the correct synonym for sagacious. Sagacious का मतलब क्या है? foolish, wise, ignorant और unwise. तो इसका मतलब अक्लमंद होता है. ठीक है, Sagacious, it describes someone who makes good judgments. For example, a sagacious leader guides the country wisely. So correct answer is wise. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट एंटोनिम फॉर अबंडेंट। तो अबंडेंट का जो है वो अपोजिट वर्ड बताना है स्केस, प्लेंटी, एम्पल और सफिशिएंट। तो इसका अपोजिट वर्ड है स्केस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द बुक डैश इज द टेबल, ऑन, इन, एट और बाय। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑन। द बुक इज ऑन द टेबल। द प्रोपोजिशन ऑन indicates position over a surface. For example, the keys are on the table. So right answer is on. The book is on the table. Next question. Select the correct sentence. She can to swim. She can swim. She can swimming or she can swims. So right answer is she can swim. Can is followed by the base verb without to. Example, she can solve complex problems easily. Next question. Choose the correct synonym for obfuscate, clarify, confuse, enlighten or illuminate. So right answer is confuse. Obfuscate means uljhana. So it is often used in formal or technical context. For example, the instructions were designed to obfuscate rather than clarify. Next question देखते हैं, choose the correct synonym for serene. तो serene का जो opposite word है वो agitated है, ठीक है। यानी सीरीन का मतलब होता है पुरसुकून और एजिटेटेड का मतलब होता है परेशान या फिर बेचैन। फॉर एग्जांपल, द लेक लुक्ड सीरीन इन द मॉर्निंग अनलाइक द एजिटेटेड सी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। ही डैश हिज होमवर्क बिफोर डिनर। फिनिश्ड, फिनिशेस, फिनिश और फिनिशिंग। सो राइट आंसर इज ए, फिनिश्ड। ही फिनिश्ड हिज होमवर्क बिफोर डिनर। यूज पास्ट टेंस finished because the action is completed in the past. For example, he finished his homework an hour ago. Next question, select the correct sentence. She do not have any money. She does not have no money. She does not have any money or she do not has any money. So right answer is she does not have any money. B. She does not have any money. Sorry, C. She does not have any money is a right answer. She does not have any money. For singular subjects, does not is used with the base verb. For example, he does not like tea. So that this lecture has strengthened your vocabulary, grammar and sentence correction skills. Detailed explanation help you to understand word meanings, usage and tense rules. So regular practice with such MCQs will improve your confidence and precision for the CSS 2026 English paper. So review these concepts carefully and focus on applying them in writing, speaking and exam scenario.